Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rishit Inspiring Kids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. If you can answer these questions, please watch the video to end. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let's get started. The first question is Mr. Verma is very dash unkind. But so or your time starts now. The correct answer is but. Your next question is I have forgotten dash umbrella. Please lend me yours. My, ours, none of them. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is my. My is the possessive pronoun of I. Your next question is he dash the pictures on the wall. Hung, hanged, hangs. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is hung. This sentence is in past indefinite tense. So, second form of hang is hung. That's why we used hung. Your next question is please meet me at the train station within dash or. Ah, and the. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is and. The word or starts with the letter H, but in pronunciation it begins with a vowel sound OW. That's why we used here and. Your next question is my father is tall dash my mother is short. But and so your time starts now. And your correct answer is but. Here these two sentences are in contradiction. That's why we used here but. Your next question is she cried because she dashed in pain. Is, was, has been. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is was. Here she cried is in past one sentence and then another sentence she dashed in pain is also in past. So that's why we are here using was. Your next question is they invited Dash to the party, but we couldn't attend. Us, we, them. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is us. Your next question is they dashed the job a week ago. Finished, have finished, had finished. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is finished. Your next question is You cannot go to a movie dash you attend a class unless yet if you can your time starts now. Your correct answer is unless. Your next question is I have got the camera dash is here. It there that your time starts now. And your correct answer is it. Because here camera is a non-living thing. That's why we use here it. Your next question is can you please go to dash grocery store on 3rd Street and buy 2-liter milk? A. And the. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is the. Here, the phrase the grocery store on 3rd Street refers to a specific store that both the speaker and listener are expected to know. Your next question is choose the correct option. The church on dash corner is progressive. A. And the. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is the. Your next question is what type of noun is Florida an example of? Possessive noun, pronoun, collective noun. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is proper noun. Here, Florida is a proper noun because it is the specific name of a state within the United States. Your next question is she is not blind dash blind. Entire entirely none of them. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is entirely. Here, entirely is the adverb that's describing our verb blind. Your next question is he was punished dash he wasn't guilty. But as none of them. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is but. Here, but is used to connect clause or ideas that contrast or are in opposition. Your next question is he dash goes to the temple. Often, frequency, none of these. Your time starts now. Correct answer is often. Here, often is adverb that's describing our verb goes. Your next question is I want to buy dash car. A and the. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is A. In this sentence, the speaker is talking about buying any car, not a specific one. Your next question is what type of noun is George Washington an example of? Common noun, proper noun, Concrete noun. Your time starts now. Answer is proper noun. George Washington is an example of a proper noun because it specifically names a unique individual. Your next question is, please put the light on. It's very dash in here. Weak, thin, dark. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is dark. Your next question is, your last question is, out the adjectives from options given below. Wonder, wonderful, wonderfully. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is wonderful. Please subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.